Drip coffee bag sorting counting machine with cartoning machine including functions, lifting conveyor, steering unit, sensor, conveyor roller, pouch pressing, finished product conveyor. Machines are controlled by PLC system. Cartoning machine is mainly composed of counting, remove the box, products pushing, folding box, product conveyor and other parts. Automatic sorting machine can be customized with suitable models and bag pressing and conveying devices according to customer requirements. Bag sorting machine can sort the mixed and stacked products and output the products one by one to facilitate subsequent packaging.